Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. Today's date is October 22nd, 2024. Let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart, we are seeing a rotation to the downside. New lows for the dollar versus Canada today. We haven't reached down to the low prices from Monday, which happened at the start of the trading day, but we're working our way to the downside after yesterday's sharp move to the upside. That move to the upside came up and tested the high of this swing area. Now, the swing area was defined back here, where we had a couple highs right through here, and then we found some lows down through here. This is sort of the start of the whole process. We moved up below it here, and then moved back above it, and then tried to use this level as support again, and then fell below it and used it as resistance. There was one bad apple right here where the price moved above the swing area right here. It should have gone higher. It didn't. The market moved lower, and that was the catalyst for the move to the downside. So it did have its purpose, and that purpose was failing to break higher. And so we fast forward all the way up to last week, where the price came up to that area and found willing sellers and moved lower. And in trading yesterday, the price moved up to the high of that area, and again found willing sellers, and the price has wandered to the downside. So that's the story behind this yellow area, behind this swing area, and it remains a key level on the top side. Now, we did have PPI data come out a little bit weaker than expectations in Canada here today, but as you can see, the price did not move. The dollar Canada did not move to the upside, with the Canadian dollar getting weaker, but the price actually moved to the downside with the Canadian dollar getting stronger. That may be because of this big move to the upside, which saw the price move from about 1.3465 all the way up to 1.38475 in a matter of 2.5 weeks or thereabouts of trading. So that's a pretty big move to the upside. Maybe the market's a little oversold, and we have a potential to move to the downside. So what does that say? That says, watch this area up here. We're going to need to get above this level to increase the bullish bias on the downside. If we do decide to probe to the downside, I would then next target this area between the 1.3786 and 1.3791. It again also has some interest from down here. This is where it all started, right through here, and it was the follow through of this move to the downside here that kind of kick-started it further to the downside, but getting below the swing area. We moved back up toward this area in trading last week and tried to use that level, but sort of made a mess of it, trading above and below the level. But we did base near this level right here before moving to the upside. So it does have a special place in my heart as a target level on the downside. So be aware of that. If we break below that level, we look toward the 61.8% retracement. So there's my technical look at the dollar versus Canada. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.